Hello everyone, welcome to Imaginary Hub. I am Jaber and we are going to start a 60-day programming challenge, or you can say a 60-day coding challenge, where we will be coding continuously for next 60 days. So in this series we will be covering all topics of programming from the basic to the most advanced level. We will cover basic topics like variables and data types, and from that we will go all the way to the most advanced topics like dynamic programming or graphs or binary search tree. So if you are a student who want to start coding, who want to kickstart coding, or if you are a student who want to revise all topics of programming in 2 months, then this series is for you. So as college student myself, I find it really hard to find a balance between my college work and my professional or like coding journey. So I have made this series in such a way that you will find at least 2 days or 1 day of ample time. I will upload lectures in such a way that I will give at least 1 day gap, or at least 2 days or 1 day gap, such that you can like work on your college work. You can work on your college work, at the same time you can balance with our coding journey or with our coding challenge. So in this 60 days we will be covering all the topic of programming, and we will become from zero to the pro level of coder, right? So with that being said, I will see you on February 23rd. On February 23rd I will be uploading a special lecture, that is 0th lecture, which which talks about the mindset of a disciplined coder, and what are the requirements we need in order to start our series, and what are the requirements or what are the tools we are going to use in our computer to start our coding journey. So with that being said, I will see you on February 23rd, Friday.